In the unit, we've been discussing fixed parameter tractable problems, and there are a lot of neat things about these. First, the exponential part of the running time is restricted to the parameter k rather than the parameter n, and at least in many cases, k is much less than n. Another neat thing is that they provably allow for some very effective pre-processing rules. The details of some of these are a little bit out of scope for this course, but we can get a bit of a taste for them by looking at vertex cover and noticing a few key insights. Now, let's say we have a graph G, and suppose it has n vertices, along with parameter k. Now, what I'd like to know is, does G have a vertex cover of size at most k? So, in other words, we're discussing the decision variant of the vertex cover problem. Another way of saying this is that, at most, a certain number of vertices are needed to cover all the edges. And this could be either k minus 1, k, 2k, k plus n, or n. Another fact that this question, or the answer to this question, will imply is that if any vertex is an endpoint to a certain number of edges or more, then it must be in the cover. And this could be either k minus 1, k, k plus 1, 2k, or k squared edges. So for both of these questions, please check whichever one is most appropriate.